Ekor Kapatisi TV. Ka Undi Basnyam Bat Penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka CAU Regional Agri Fair Arajar Posan Arajar Pundriu Kabelai Sngi Ha College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai Kelalong Kebajop Hagaba Organizing Secretary Jong Kabaratia Kisan Sang Udinesh Data Treya Kulkarni Kelalong Kumukongsan Ringkat ke Jenalang Jong Emily Kumsning Constituency Dr. Celestine Dingdok Musembut Kongsan ke Director Jong ke IIM Shillong ke Professor Nalini Prava Tripathi Vice Chancellor Jong ke Central Agricultural University Imphal Dr. Anupam Mishra Director Jong ke Directorate of Extension Education CAU Imphal Professor Ranjit Sharma Batkiwe.
Here in my very own constituency, in the district that we are in, there are many farmers who say, we would like to cultivate and produce more, but perishable crops, unless we provide them with a quick logistics to reach the market on time, the goods gets damaged. Their market value comes down. So the appeal to all, and especially the colleges and university, is to help in every possible way to improve the life of our farmers. Personally, I also come from a family that was involved with agriculture. The old style, the olden ways, where physical labor is the maximum tool. And with the topography and the geography of the northeastern states, specific machines that can be used in our hilly terrains, that has to be developed or invented. Majority of the machineries that we get now are mostly planned for the plain areas. So with the involvement of the Department of Agriculture from the central government, who looks after the welfare of the farmers, I wish they will pay attention to devise and improve the existing machineries to the local requirements.
The northeastern region is truly blessed with the fertile soils, favorable agroclimatic conditions, and rich variety of agricultural and horticultural produce. But in spite of this, the farmer of this region still remain at lower end of the value chain and faces problems like low productivity, poor connectivity, limited storage facilities, and weak market linkage. If you really want to make agriculture and horticulture a driver of prosperity of this region, we must move from production-centric driven to value chain driven centric model. It means it calls for integration of all stakeholders such as farmers, FPOs, cooperatives, agri-entrepreneurs, market players under the whole unified ecosystem. If we want to improve this unified ecosystem, we have to focus on 8 pillars. The first one is infrastructure and logistics. The cold storage, collection centers, and efficient transport facilities is extremely essential for the value chain.
Second one, MS Walker Organic Tea Private Limited. Price, Gosu, E-Hall, Tidal, Women, FPC Limited, Upload Manipur. Next category is private organization category. The minister immediately on stage. Prize winner is the Mount Fruit Wine Mokiwan Mega Bowl. And third prize goes to ICR CBRI Upper Shillong Meghalaya. The student, the first prize winner of the student presentation, Mr. Satyajit Mishra, College of Fishery, third prize. Second prize, Ms. Pakmir Muri, College.
और किसानों की लागत भी कम हो.
Sustainability and self-reliance has ushered in policies that are transforming agriculture, making it more resilient, productive and